Hello guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use GoodNotes on Android in 2026. Do you want to use GoodNotes on your Android device? It's now available and easy to use. And here's how to get started just by following these few simple steps. So, as you can see here, the first thing you want to do is to download the GoodNotes from the Google Play Store. As you can see, GoodNotes application is both available on Android and iOS devices. So you're gonna make sure to head to the Play Store, just like this. You're gonna head to the store, then you're gonna choose Play Store, click on it, then you're gonna click on the search engine, and here you're gonna type in GoodNotes. Let's type in GoodNotes, like this, select the first one. Now as you can see, you're gonna be aware of some other applications sponsored, as you can see, Notewise, Adobe. You're gonna choose only the GoodNotes and access its page. Once you find it, you're gonna make sure to click on the install button and wait for the installation to be completed. Once the installation is completed, you're gonna click on the open button to open the application. Now once you open the app, you're gonna make sure to sign in with your Google account. It's faster and easier, so choose your Google account. Then you can use or sync your data using your account. And also create and open notebooks by clicking on the new button. Here you can choose to create notebook, text documents, whiteboard, folder, images, take photos, quick notes, or import even files. So you're gonna create and start writing using your finger or stylus. For example, I'm gonna insert this document right here. As you can see, there are options to type in your text or even use your stylus to draw shapes, disable the read only. You can use your stylus to draw shapes, etc. Or even add emojis and also modify your notebook. You can use stylus for better precision and keep your app updated and sync your notes regularly. Now GoodNotes on Android gives you flexibility across devices. Start using it and sync your notes anywhere. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.